A trading strategy that offers simplicity with no frills attached is the kind of trading system traders prefer. Traders are known to overly complicate things when trading by often overwhelming their charts with indicators to an extent they miss out on the primary element in their analysis. The 3-bar high-low forex trading strategy offers a unique buy/sell market scanning approach that works very well for any currency pair and time frame. The criteria for entry, exit and position management are simple and well defined. Chart setup: MetaTrader 4 indicators, 3 bars high-low indicator, X4, inputs variable modified, period CC equals 55, period ATR equals 15, 50 EMA, Bollinger squeeze with demarker, X4, inputs variable modified, demarker _ trigger 8 equals 26 preferred time frames, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week recommended trading sessions, any currency pairs, any pair. The 3 bars high-low indicator for MT4 plots the bullish, bearish, and flat trends on the chart. Additionally, the fractals provide further confirmation of the buy and sell trades. The indicators provide buy and sell alerts upon trend change. Furthermore, the indicator does not repaint after candle close and provides stable signals which can be used for forex auto trading strategy. The indicator displays the current trend direction in the upper right chart corner for immediate reference. The indicator is suitable for new and experienced forex traders. The trading signals assist the new traders to identify the bullish and bearish market trends and trade accordingly. However, advanced forex traders may use complex technical trading strategies or automatic trading strategies. Additionally, the indicator is free to download and easy to install. 3 bars high-low indicator for MT4 trading signals. The above PM30 chart shows the 3 bars high-low indicator for MT4 in action. The indicator shows the neutral trend in yellow, the uptrend line in lime, and downtrend line in orangered. Additionally, the fractals are in chartreuse. The indicator plots the trend line by combining the CCI indicator using the ATR, fractals for the bars mentioned in the indicator settings. Furthermore, the indicator provides buy and sell alerts upon bullish and bearish trend changes. Forex traders can place a buy trade once the indicators turn lime, as this denotes a bullish market trend. For best results, the stop loss is placed below the previous low and the take profit once the indicator changes to yellow, as this denotes a flat trend. Additionally, an exit at the opposite color changing to red, which indicates the change of new trend, also provides great results. The 3 bars high/low forex signals MetaTrader 4 indicator is an accurate trend indicator that smoothens out noise from price data. Both short and long-term currency traders will find this indicator extremely useful, based on its ability to filter out noise from price data. This will result in less false buy and sell signals, thus more profit. The line of 3 bars high-low indicator is segmented into 3 colors: lime, yellow and amp, orange-red. The yellow segment of the 3 bars high-low indicator for MT4 indicator line denotes sessions in the market when uncertainty looms, while the other colors, i.e. lime and orange-red, strictly typifies changes in buy and sell market trends. The indicator is mostly made up of the CCI and ATR indicator, making it the best of both worlds. Here's how you can buy and sell from the 3 bars high-low indicator. Forex indicator: lime line of the 3 bars high-low indicator stays slightly below the price bars on the chart window for a buy trend. Orange-red line of the 3 bars high-low indicator stays slightly above the price bars on the chart window for a sell trend. Tip: in most cases, merging a relative vigor index MT4 indicator with the 3 bars high-low indicator produces a largely profitable system for medium, short and long-term trading. The 3 bars high-low forex indicator is a popular free MT4 indicator used by many traders. It is a useful tool that helps traders identify potential price reversals in the forex market. The indicator works by plotting 3 bars on the chart, one representing the highest high, one representing the lowest low, and one representing the close. When the price is above the highest high, it signals a potential bullish reversal. Conversely, when the price is below the lowest low, it signals a potential bearish reversal. This makes it a great tool for traders looking to spot potential reversals in the market. In this case, a buy trend takes place when the lines of the RVI oscillator breaks above the 0 horizontal level, while the line of the 3 bars high-low indicator turns lime, running fairly below the price bars. A sell trend takes place when the lines of the RVI oscillator breaks below the 0 horizontal level, while the line of the 3 bars high-low indicator turns orange-red, running fairly above the price bars. This binary option strategy high/low is for time 60 minutes or higher. Indicator: trend indicator, ADX, 14, greater than 19 optional filter. Works only in trend setup: 2 bars in sequence. Bars must be either bullish or bearish. Also, it must be in slope. Entry at open 3 degrees candle. In the example below, pound sterling to US dollar H1, we have the formation of the 5 patterns: 3 bars bullish with 5 victories. This strategy is also a scalping system exit for scalping at close bar or with fixed profit target. Place stop loss at low or high.